In today's video, I'll show you how to zoom to fill on HBO Max. First, open your browser and go to the official HBO Max website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, scroll through the homepage and select the movie or series you want to watch by clicking on it. When the video starts playing, stay on that watching page. Next, open a new tab and search for the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type HBO Max Video Blender and select it from the search results. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension to confirm. Wait a few seconds for the extension to install. After installation, click the extensions icon on your browser and press the pin icon next to HBO Max Video Blender so it's easier to access later. Now, go back to the HBO Max tab and click on the HBO Max Video Blender extension. From there, you can use the slider to zoom the video in or out based on your preference. You can also choose preset options like original fit, fit width, or fit height. If needed, you even have the option to rotate the video left or right. And that's it. That's how you zoom to fill on HBO Max.